Repair smart. Repair fast. Repair hacks.
Daily life begins with avoiding danger.
Open drains define how people move, work, and live.
When infrastructure fails, life adapts, but at a cost.
Change starts quietly.
Proper drainage changes everything. Stability replaces uncertainty underfoot.
This is not luxury, this is function.
Safe streets demand safe homes.
Color changes how a place feels.
Green spaces don't need to be big to matter.
Order replaces improvisation.
When streets become safe, communities appear.
Infrastructure changes how people spend their time. This is what dignity looks like.
If you believe in real transformation, like this video, follow the channel, and share it with someone who believes cities can do better.